I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want results fast, so set up essentials and begin searching now. Optimize your photo and one-line bio so people recognize you. Once done, pick 3-5 interest hashtags and 1-2 nearby locations to follow. Use Instagram's Search and Explore tab to surface active users in those tags. Make sure to enable contact or activity syncing to see friend suggestions. By combining a discoverable profile with focus tags, you increase the chance the right people find and follow you immediately. Now move from discovery to active engagement. You should like a handful of posts, leave thoughtful comments, and save content to signal genuine interest. This tells the algorithm and the creator you're real. Once you've engaged, reply to stories, use poll votes or question stickers to start light dialogue, and send a short DM referencing a specific post. Make sure to add context so you're not just hey. Gradually follow mutuals and keep interactions consistent to convert follows into friendships. Finish by turning initial interactions into ongoing connections. You should post and message regularly, 1 to 2 meaningful touchpoints per week, to stay visible without being pushy. When rapport exists, suggest a low-commitment collab or casual meetup. Explain the why so they feel comfortable. If someone doesn't respond, don't double message. Change your approach, give it 2 weeks, then try different content or a fresh, specific message. This protects your time and keeps relationships authentic as they grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.